To create texts in Blender, start by right-clicking and selecting the text option from the drop-down. Press Tab to enter edit mode in order to edit the text. Let's create a simple text. Next, go into the object properties to edit the properties of the text. Adjust alignment from here. We can adjust the resolution from the option, but let's leave it at default for now. Let's give it some extrusion. If needed, adjust the offset and bevel as well. We can choose to apply any font by clicking on this button. Adjust the different text spacings to your liking. We can also apply a material at this stage, but keep in mind that since it's a text, we won't be able to apply any texture to it. We can further edit the shape by creating a path for these texts to follow. Let's quickly create a path and scale it just a little bit. Let's go into the object properties. Under Transform option, from Text on Curve section, select the curve that we just created. Make the necessary adjustments as shown earlier. Try creating different curvature for the text's path. If you need more information on how to create and edit curves, you can press the video card displayed on the top right corner to watch it. For now, let's disconnect the path and hide it. We can convert the text by right-clicking and selecting Convert to Mesh option. Or alternatively, we can go into the Object menu. Choose Convert to option, then click on Mesh from Text. Remember, we won't be able to edit the words once they have been converted. Let's clean up the mesh a little as shown here by selecting Limited Dissolve. Give it a value of 0.1. We can now treat this text as a 3D object and carry out further edits as needed. After the changes, apply a material or a texture as needed. Now that you have learned how to create texts, if interested, take a look at how we can add and use text boxes. Repeat the first step, create a text. Go into the edit mode. Now, from the object properties, let's adjust the size of the text box. Let's go with some sample texts for now. You can choose to adjust the size of the texts from these options shown here. We can add multiple text boxes this way and also adjust their spacing under the offset option. Adjust all other properties as shown earlier, including alignment for the texts. Once finalized, these can be converted into meshes as shown before. Hope you found this video useful. Until we meet again with another tutorial, take care and have a wonderful day ahead.